So this is the hand blender milk frother by Elementi. I purchased this because I needed to have something that I can blend my drinks with really quickly. I like to use them for my green drinks or my protein hot chocolate drinks. And so what I like about this is that it's very sturdy. One thing I will note is that it does take AA batteries and they are not included. So you want to make sure you have some AA batteries around before you try to use this. It's very sturdy. It has the nice long stem, and this is the blending bottom. And all you have to do is just press this down and it spins. And so this morning I'm gonna have my protein hot chocolate. I already have the powder in here. I'm just gonna use my kettle and pour the water in. And you see it's blending. And it has a little froth at the top too, you can see that. So it works well as a frother, but it also blends really, really well. Really happy with this because I found that some drinks don't mix well and it works quickly. That's the one thing, it doesn't take much at all. If you have something that's difficult to mix, this makes it very easy. One thing I do want to note is that it's also very easy to clean. All you have to do is rinse or just wipe it down with some water and soap. At the bottom, you don't want to immerse this in water. It's not dishwasher safe, so you just wash it at the bottom. And it's very easy. I haven't seen anything clump up on it. So I'm very happy with this purchase.